Hi, this is second video. Create a job card. How to create a job card? Okay, see, whenever a vehicle comes for the service, we want to know this car or customer came earlier. I mean, it is this car or this customer already registered in our system or not, or they come first. We want to know first that one. Okay, so what you have to do, step number one, we have to search this customer. It's already that customer came to our firm or not. Okay, so how to check it? Um, I know customer tells us his mobile number like 056 473890. Okay, what we will do, go to this search, that is binocular option, go there and just type this mobile number. If this mobile number is there, it will show. That means this customer is not registered in our system. And moreover, maybe spelling mistake maybe happen. So we can ask their name also. Okay, his name they told Rehan Razak. Okay, so we will check REHA. It is not there. Then we can make sure this is absolutely a new customer. Okay, that is the first search. Okay, the second search, the car details. We have to check this car information in the system. If this car already registered or not. There, this section is for car details. The left section is customer details. Okay, so we are coming to the next section, car details. We want to make sure this car is coming first or not. So what we have to do, go to this binocular option of this vehicle. See this, click this binocular option, type Rehan, customer name you can, it is not there. Okay, and the second thing, the car number is D2967, it is not there. Okay, then now it is confirmed that this car and this customer absolutely new. So we have to create, see this, search the customer. What happened? The customer is not existing in the system. Search the vehicle, vehicle also not exist in the system. So if this customer comes first time, it is confirmed. First time they are coming. We have to register the customer first, then register the vehicle. The number one, step number one, we need to create the customer first. Under the customer, vehicle will be created. It is not like that we will create vehicle first. No, the flow is first we create the customer, then create the work. Okay, let's go to the application and how to do this. Okay, so what we are doing, we are going to give the mobile number. Okay, and customer name Rehan Razak. Okay, we can make it like capital letters, and address Dubai. This is actually we create the customer very quickly. If he's a walk-in customer, if not from a company, it's a walk-in customer. Okay, so we need very minimal information. We need his mobile number, his name, and address is not a mandatory, and email is also not a mandatory. See this, the pink color, this one and this one. This is a mandatory, and rest of the things, address, email ID, salesman, is not mandatory. But if we can give good, we can get a lot of reports. Okay, right now I'm just giving save. Now this customer named Rehan Razak has been registered in the system. Okay, now system is asking for vehicle details. Okay, this is a vehicle D2967. Which Emirates? So we need to select Dubai. Okay, then it's a Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry. How to select this one? Just type TO, then it will show all the make starting with TO. So now we almost we selected filtered Toyota only. So down arrow, keyboard down arrow, click and tab. It's a shortcut I am saying. Otherwise mouse you can use always, but this is for the best practice. And now we are going to select Camry. How to select Camry? First click here, then CAM. So all the Camry hybrid, Solara, Camry, everything came. We need the first option. Click this down arrow mark. Keyboard, on keyboard press down arrow mark. See this? Okay, then once you select, maybe if you want to select hybrid, no issues, select this one and tab. Okay, it will come to another place, and this is chassis number. If you want to make it mandatory, that is possible in our system. Okay, so I gave this number and color black, model 2018. I saved. I hope you understand. Okay, we created the customer, we created the vehicle. Okay, so once we create the vehicle, it will be showing here. This is car. Okay, and system is asking for us to create a new job. Okay, if you forgot to click new job and click cancel, no problem. Like I by unfortunately we selected the cancel. Again, how we can come back to create a new job card? Nothing else. This is a car. Okay, D297 DXP Toyota Camry hybrid. Click this car, the same option will come. So click new job. Here, the reading kilometers is mandatory. Without this, if you try to save, this is a job card save button. If you try to save this, are you sure to save? Please enter the readings. This is a must. Something you have to give there. What is this? When that car comes in our garage, we want to see the kilometers readings. So this is 140,000. Okay, and they came for oil change and brake pad change. The oil change absolutely they for 10,000 kilometers they want to change. So this kilometer plus 10,000 we add it over here. Now we are going to add. We can select from here. Click the services. The first service what is? What is the first service? They want to oil change, oil filter change. Okay, and what is the second service they need? Brake pad change. Okay, and who is a service advisor? Royal. He is a service advisor of this job. Now we can save this. Now your job number is 24. Job number, a new job card has been created. Okay. Now we want to print the job card, right? So to print the job card, we have to go to this option, advanced. This is advanced because these things can be done through the tab. Okay, it is supporting the touch screen also. For whenever car comes, our guy they have tab, they can receive the car from this tab itself. Whatever information I already told you to create the customer, create the vehicle, okay, create the job card. Now they can everything can be done through the tab. Now this advanced, specially advanced for the tab module. They can mark here what is the fuel level. Okay, this is a fuel level right now, and any scratches or information like oil change we need to do something like that. Whatever it is, they can play with this one. Okay, and I hereby declare that there is no valuable items inside the car. This is customer needs to tick from the tab. Customer can be signature also. Save this and save this layout. This is the front view of the car. We can take a photo with plate number. This is very useful if you want to display the job status in your garage in front of the customers or in front of your employees, foreman. Okay, then it will be very useful for you. Once you click this, see this actually in front of the car, you have to take the photo. So capture photo, save.